Hi everyone, the last 3 days we had we.create 2023. Here's an overview of the past few days.
It's just fantastic to bring together more than 250 people face to face. And obviously we've got the wider organisation engaged in it. This is the first time we've done a hybrid event as well, which has brought its own challenges. We tried to bring those people into the event as well. We've got 20 different offices and countries represented, and so I particularly want to thank those of you who flew from quite a long distance away, from Pakistan, from Brazil, from America, from India. It's great to have you here, and of course Malaysia.
It's great to see so many people here from the tech area, and tech is in the leading of everything that we do. So it's really nice to see all the excitement and energy here.
I'm going to reflect on just the power of networking and the power of being face-to-face. It allows you to kind of co-create together and build really strong relationships.
I think the highlight of the event is the keynotes. We've had such a variety of keynotes. Just very stimulating thinking, incredibly important topics for GfK.
And then you get out of your comfort zone and attend something which is new to you. And that is amazing. That I really liked.
Really nice cross-functional effort, super interactive, gamified. I think this is exactly what we.create should be about, like shared experiences and shared learning.
I really want to challenge myself this year, and a few of the other years I've kind of done like the social streams. This year I want to get a bit technical and see what I can learn.
Well, it's very good. It's very nice to be able to meet a lot of different people from the business, listen to very interesting presentations, and yeah, just really good vibes about GfK in general.
It's really interesting to see people kind of presenting what their expertise is, because I don't actually know who most of the people at this is. So it's been really great to just learn about things from people that I actually work with.
Shaping Tomorrow is really thinking about how data can change the world. So companies who are able to process data for their use cases, for their business values, most intelligent, these will be the successful companies of the future.
I still think the real shapers of tomorrow are actually you. It's about having the right context and setting the right parameters, and it's about the quality checks, and it's about the ethics in the background. But you'll all be the ones that are making that difference and taking us into the future. So this entire event is about you. As I said, it's not top down.
These events are so important because they make friends out of colleagues. And that is not just nice for them because they're having a good time, they're having fun. It leads ultimately to them being better collaborators. It leads to more trust in their collaboration. It leads to leaner processes. And that is, in the end, a huge benefit also for the company. So I think that alone makes it valuable to invest money and effort in that.
The content that you've all provided has been exceptional. Like, I sat through some and I'm just amazed that we work in such an amazing company with just like the brightest minds. We're so fortunate. You're all exceptional, and you've made this event what it is, and you should all be really proud of yourselves as well. This was we.create 2023. We look forward to seeing you next year.